IoT-based smart system for chemical plants. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The main aim of this paper is to design a compact and efficient filling system using Arduino technology, specifically tailored for the challenging environment of chemical industries. This system incorporates essential components including a belt conveyor for bottle transportation, a DC pump connected to a tank for precise liquid flow regulation, and an infrared sensor for accurate bottle positioning detection. By ensuring the pump activates precisely when needed, the system facilitates filling bottles with liquid chemicals. With all components operating optimally, this cost-effective filling machine is well suited for small-scale applications in coffee shops, juice bars, and similar beverage industries, providing a practical solution to their bottle filling requirements. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.